Magsimba daw kami. Hello guys, good morning. We going to the Patong Beach. Patong Beach. Nice yung charas. Labas na tayo. Ganda lang guys dito guys. Nandito tayo sa Patong area. Nag-CR lang tayo dito sa may hotel. Amen. At saka, bye! Sinundo na kami. Ayan. Paakit tayo. We're going to somewhere. We go around here. Okay. Kata. This is Kata at the bus there. Ooh. Adventure. Nag-adventure po kami sa Thailand. Napunta kami sa kabilang sa first may salangit. We're going to, ayan, our luggage. We're going to another resort. New experience. And then this is our service. New, excited. So, we're going to the other resort. Haba road trip with the like this. Your purse, your cell phone. And then where's my purse?
My key. Where's my key?
Ayan. Long trip pala ha, sa kabilang island. A lot of shops here. I don't want to walk like this. Like... Kakaiba parang nasa ano kami. Dito naman kami sa kabilang resort. Ito po siya. So nice. I like this. Selling the bags. Have selling the bags. Say my one. Nice po. Cute po yung ano nila. Reception. Nice po yung resort. Dito naman kami sa kabila. It's good location. It's good. Perfect. That's why expensive here, no? Expensive po siya. Mahal po itong resort kasi seaside and roadside. A lot of restaurant. So many choices to stay here. Why have the welcome food? So yummy. Guys, let's eat and enjoy the food. Cookies. Free cookies, welcome cookies. Thank you, and this is our welcome drink. So yes, I want the alcohol. Joke. Oh, pineapple. Welcome drink. Ano? Oh, you see the champagne there? Welcome drinks and cheers. Oh, the day is already here.
Okay,
So nice. Dito na kami sa loob ng room and our view. Ayan po siya. Kaya tinawag na boat house kasi boat house yung style. Oh, nice. Wow, nice here, guys. Nandito naman kami sa kabilang resort. And this is our... Wow, nice yung toilet here. I love it. Nandito kami sa... So, ang linis. Fantastic. Ang linis-linis talaga. O, tingnan mo. Linis niya dyan, guys. And then, ayun po. Ayun po. O, yun. May salamin sa labas. Ayan. Ayun. Ayan yung bag. So nice. Ang linis dito. I love it. Ay, gusto ko yung mga ganon-ganon nila. Oh, diba? So nice yung toilet. Oh, makikita mo si salamin. Oh, yan. So cute. Pa-cabinet nila. Ayan, cabinet nila. Sa baba. Ayan, may mga design pa sila ng ganyan. Yung salamin nakalagay yung boat house. Ayan. So, yan po yung view. Nice, and in the toilet. Like that. And this. I want this one. Like. Kainin po natin, guys, yung welcome fruits nila. Ito yung famous sa Thailand. Ito. I want to share it. Sarap. Sarap. Mandarin. Mandarin, oh. Ay, iba yung tawag dito, eh. Okay. Hả? So qua đi thôi. yan. Going out. Ayan yung seaside, guys. Nice yung light sa sun. All resort siya. Ayan o, nakahilira siya. ba? Sayang sa bayan. Oy. Ang lakas mo. Yun, na-stress na yung hair ko. Wow! Ang lakas no, na. Ouch! Nabasa na. Nabasa na yung ano ko. Waves ba? Ang lakas. Oh, wow! So nice. Malakas ng balon. Nabasa na yung point ko. Dami. Ngayon, malakas. Oh! Atras. Oh! Oh! Malakas. Oh! Ay! Oh, see? And the sunset so nice here. Ay, ganda sa papi. Dumaan si Joe Papi. Ayan. Oh, ang lakas ng alon. So nice. Oh, wow. Nakita nyo yan? 3 waves coming. Ayan, yan. Sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay. Wow. Phuket guys, Phuket. Enjoying the Phuket. Ayan, yung dagat nila dito, alon. Maraming nagsusurf doon, no? Sa kabilang side. Ayan. Maraming nagsusurf. Ay, basa na naman yung... Oh, umabot na diyan, oh, ang tubig. Oh, ang lakas ng alon. Oh, see? Yung hampas ng alon. Ayan, oh, wow! Nasa taas na ako kasi nabasa na yung short ko. Ayan yung mga alon. Ay! So nice! Ayan, nakikitay. So sexy. Ang sexy nila dito. Madaming sexy dito. Oh, ang ganda ng sunset. Oh, yun. Perfect. Ah, ang packet na. Oh. Madami nagsasurfing. Ay, doon pala yung ano namin, resort. Ayan, yan lang malapit ang resort namin. So, nandito kami sa kabilang side. Ito, sa gitna. Ito po yung ano nila siguro. Yeah. For dinner. Ayan, nagutom na po kami. Dinner time. So nice. But cute. Cooking. Action yan. Feeling rich people, no? Relax, ha? You relax talaga. Okay, my part and my floor. food, guys. Not yet come. Papaya halal. Okay. Good fish. Good the fish. Good the fish. Good the fish. No, it's tasty.
It's like eating fish.
Kami galing dyan. So, here we go. Doon din kami galing kanina sa beach yan, beach. Ito po yung night time ng Phuket. Okay, good morning. This other side, Phuket. So nice. Oh, I make the video this one right. Yesterday. Later day on the jacuzzi. And the water, guys, is there. See? Oh, I can hear the waves. No? It's closer. Nice our resort here. Different experience. So this is our view. Ah, we are in the close in the Buddha. Oh, is there. The Buddha is there upstairs. Oh.
Inflation, the worst in 30 years, way beyond expectations. OPEC didn't increase oil production. Can you tell us a little bit about how you prevent this from new spending and your Build Back Better agenda from exacerbating the problem, and also what
Guys, nice swimming pool and in seaside. Oh, diba nice? Okay. And my outfit for today. Hello everyone, good morning. And I'm here in Phuket. Nice breakfast. guys, and then we are here. Ayan po yung view namin sa breakfast area. So, naka-set up na po siya. So, blue din yung purse ko. Kakaiba naman ang breakfast natin today, guys. Ulang bouquet. Mag-select ka po dito. Coffee, latte, hot, pineapple,
juice.
yogurt,
Do you want to cranberry or mango?
mango,
Yes, please.
and then cereal,
And do you want to?
Australian oats,
Yes, Australian oat with milk, right?
and can also yeah, milk. And this one, muffin, don, and then stick. This is grilled pig. And this one, grilled, different style of breakfast, malida. So enjoy it. Importante my outfit for today.
It's me coffee latte.
Thank you.
Pineapple juice.
Oh yeah. Oh, diba, guys? Oh, fantastic here. So I have coffee. Cheers. Oh, CP, I tell you already.
Thank you.
French toast, please.
Ay, this is for, this is my one.
Do you want this one?
Ay, yung banana? This one or the?
We have.
Mm. Oh, kakaiba yung breakfast. Different style here, guys.
Oh, can get steak also.
Oh, do you want your stick, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, kakaiba yung breakfast. And then with the view. Oh, like that. Oh, diba? Oh, perfect. Breakfast like a king. See, breakfast like a king here. Perfect. Dumating na siya.
You said we could finish it.
Good, no? I can bring after. That's it, our breakfast, guys.
Really?
And then with this view. See? Fantastic. Nice location here. Our resort is boat house. So, and in the area there is Long Beach. Diba nice? Nice location here. Very So, just enjoy, mainit. So, enough already my swimming this morning. So, relax muna tayo sa breakfast area. So, guys, thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. And see you my next trip. Bye! Enjoy the view! Hello guys, nandito na naman tayo sa jacuzzi. Jacuzzi guys, jacuzzi. Haha.